Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this fraction problem 14 raised to power 20 or 28 power 10. We have to make it in a simple form. Now let us solve this. We can write it as 14 power 20. 20 can be break down in terms of 10. We can write it as 10 plus 10 divided by 28 power 10. Now in the next step we use an identity a power n plus m, it is equal to a power n times a power m. Now on using this identity we get 14 power 10 times 14 power 10 over 28 power 10. Now in the next step we can also write it is in the form of 14 raised to power 10 over 28 power of 10 times 14 power of 10. Now in the next step we use an identity a power n over b power n, it is equal to a divided by b and whole power of n, which implies on using this identity we get 14 over 28 whole power 10 times 14 power of 10. Now we can write it as 14 times 2, it becomes 28, which implies 1 over 2 whole power of 10 times 14 power of 10. It is equal to, we can write it as 1 times 14 power 10 over 2 power of 10. Now 14 power 10 times 1, it become 14 power of 10 over 2 power of 10. Now we use same identity a power n divided by b power n, it is equal to a divided by b whole power of n, which implies 14 over 2 and whole power of 10. Now we can cancel out 14 with 2 and 2 times 7, it become 14, which implies it is equal to 7 power of 10. Thus this is it in a simplest form of 14 power 20 over 28 power 10, it is equal to 7 power of 10. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.